Okay, part two of cutting logs. I actually have these old saw horses and I put those in between here, so that should hold these up. So I'll show you guys. These my chicken brooder sits on. So I put one here in between those cuts. And then I also put one here when I have some bigger logs. So I'll see if I can set you guys up so you can watch this in action. Got my trusty Husqvarna. No chaps. Don't do this at home. Maybe Husqvarna will send me some chaps. So as you can see, when they get short, they start bunching up. So next, I guess these ones will have to do. I'll have to cut them a different way because I'm not going to spend all day doing this. So next I'll get some big logs and we'll go from there. So here we are. I'm going to cut pretty much all the same size ones, but I do have a bigger one on here. I can tell that with the weight, this thing's getting a little crooked. This is kind of going out that way. But it's a decent size log. I got a bunch more bigger ones, but I just kind of going a little bit slow at a time, you know. But it got me thinking when I mentioned my shout out to Husqvarna, trying to get myself some free chaps. I actually grew up in a steel family. They always had steels, and Husqvarna was the cheap one at the time, and I went out and I got that chainsaw, and I've had it for a long time, 10 years, and I've never had an issue with it. I think I've tuned it up like once. It did have one thing that I didn't like about it, and Husqvarna can tell us whether or not they even make these anymore. I hope they don't, because they're junk. But I'll show you what I'm talking about.